How to get best on cloud discount promo code. Now, in this quick video, I'm gonna help you guys for you to be able to stretch down the actual price if you're wanting to purchase anything from OnCloud. We're gonna have to use a discount promo code, of course. Now, access your preferred web browser, and then just simply go into this website. That's gonna be simplycodes.com. So, upon going into the site, all I have to search for is just on, and then choose on running. So you can see there are 7 codes available. So click that. Now you will have all the description of the code that you would like to choose here. Now for you to copy the code, click on get code, copy that unique code, and then paste it into your payment tab on OnCloud. And that's it. That's how you get or find the best OnCloud discount promo codes.